You have to watch me and learn. It's hard not to do one. Come on, we can do it together. Okay, so you opened it like that, right? So you're going to bring one corner at a time. So did you fold it nicely?
Yeah.
So you didn't fold it nicely. Look at that. That's not even folding. There we go. That's nicer. That's nicer. Oh, so you got to make it even.
Okay, and then now that I'm recording, he's not doing it.
I know. Can I help you?
Oh, the scissors somewhere else.
He wants that thing. He doesn't know what it is, but he knows he wants it. He's just happy to be standing. He doesn't care if he gets anything.
Maya, watch out, babe.
Like this. And this.
Well, hold on. That one's mine, I think. That one's mine. So let me do that one myself. This one's yours. I'm folding your corners in nicely. I'm folding this side in nicely. All right. So that's done.
Hold on.
So now bring your corners in like that. See, look, you follow the guides you made. You make the plus sign here, so you follow the guides like that. Okay, so do it again. It's
No,
much
no, no,
easier
no,
when you do it.
no, that's mine. Én jasna táta szofán tengi jasna va?
Oh yeah, it's
Engeli
all about the
mangala.
English.
There. Is that it?
Yeah, very good. But Maya, what is that? Do it easily. Come on. These two are good, but these two are not good.
Teja. Chi. Ew. Hi. Chi.
It's not hard. Just have
Teja.
You know what? This is not proper origami. Kid.
Teja.
Teja.
Teja babu. You do.
It's not proper. That's fine.
I'm going.
Proper
Bye-bye.
origami paper.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Say hi.
Okay.
Say
Okay,
bye.
So now,
Oh.
next, what do we do?
Okay. We're out.
Now he's on the string.